Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios. And today we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck for your moon energies and one fortune cookie card for you all, guys. So we will leave it here. We will see what it is as we proceed. Scorpios, if you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have shared my friend's favor link in the description, and she is a very good intuitive reader. So if you are interested, you can contact her, guys. Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. Let's see what are these cards. We have Two of Wands, Ten of Cups, Page of Swords in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are a very skilled and talented person. So, you have achieved certain things for yourself, feeling really happy about something. You have achieved a few dreams for yourself and you're enjoying this circumstance, enjoying your success, all that achievements you have today. You are really happy for it. But you are, what to say, waiting for something better to come, maybe the next opportunity or next choice, or you have everything. So, even at that slightest provocation, you feel really disappointed or sad, quite emotional, maybe. So, in this relationship, guys, you have a beautiful relationship, happy with this person, but even at that slightest, what to say, they may tell you something and you may not like the way this person is treating you, or maybe even just to humor you, they may say some things and you may take it really seriously and you feel really disappointed even at smaller things. It may not be a major, what to say, they are not doing something wrong to you, but maybe they are quite playful with you, trying to cool you down or trying to, what to say, have fun with you, but you may, you are emotional today for some reason, guys. And you are sharing a good relationship with this person. You may have a very good understanding. Maybe for some of you, you are even thinking of marriage or commitment with this person, guys, Scorpios. So we picked one card for your relationship, guys, and it is Four of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe there may be some things you are worried about. So just like I said with the previous cards, you may have everything, but you feel something is missing, maybe. So it may be your energy or their energy towards this relationship. Maybe for some of you, there is something unexpected coming. It may be an unexpected circumstance happening today, something like an accident or some sickness. So you need to be really careful, guys. And maybe if you have people from your family traveling somewhere, you need to uh, tell them to be more careful, and it may even be your person's energy. So some unforeseen circumstances are unfolding for you, Scorpios. You need to be more careful, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what is the card for y'all. It is 10 of Swords. So things are not going well in your work situation. There are a lot of troubles, maybe delays or suspension in your work, circumstances not going in the right way in your work situation. So you need to be more attentive, have that positive mindset. You may see some troubles, you may be worried about that, but being positive is going to help you today, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your moon energies, we picked one card. So let's see what it is. End of tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. So it looks like a positive card, guys. So maybe good changes are coming your way. So if you, this card just points out to you to think for yourself whether you are willing to work for what you want. Maybe you should make more efforts if you want that dream result, whatever you are planning. And all that difficulties you saw today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is coming to an end, guys. And in your relationship, this may be the time for you to face reality, and whatever circumstances are, if you make a plan for yourself, if you think of your future and think of the things that you need to do, maybe in your relationship or in your work situation, that is going to help. And if you feel that you are seeing troubles only in your relationship, not in your work circumstances, you need to prioritize your personal life and see to that first. See to it that you resolve your personal issues first before going to your work circumstances. So you must pay attention to where the problem lies today, Scorpios. Try to find that balance between your work and personal life. That will help you a lot. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your lucky inspiration, that fortune cookie, we will see what it is. Romance. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection. So something good coming in your love situation, Scorpios. Maybe if you are already in a connection, maybe this love will be going into a more vibrant and sweet phase of that intimacy and harmony, guys. Or if you are single, you want someone, you will find that someone interesting coming towards you. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.